Welcome to Global Insights 24, Simple Tech Answers. If you're after clear, no jargon explanations and quick tips that actually make sense, you're in the right place. Let's make tech easy together.
A SIP account in Android is a feature that allows users to make voice calls over the internet instead of using regular cellular networks. SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol, which is a communication standard used to set up and manage voice or video calls through data connections such as Wi-Fi or mobile internet. Many people use SIP accounts for VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol, to reduce calling costs or connect through business networks. On Android devices, this feature is often found under the phone settings, where users can add and configure SIP accounts manually. To use a SIP account, you typically need login details provided by a SIP service provider, which include a username, password, and server address. Once those details are entered, the Android phone can register with the SIP server and handle internet-based calls directly from the default phone dialer. This means you can make and receive calls using a SIP number just like a normal phone number, as long as you have an active internet connection. SIP accounts are useful for remote workers, businesses with internal communication systems, and users traveling abroad who want to avoid expensive roaming charges. Android's built-in SIP feature supports both audio and sometimes video communication, depending on the provider and network quality. However, not all Android phones include SIP calling by default, as some manufacturers or carriers disable it. If the option is missing, users can install third-party SIP or VoIP apps from the Play Store to achieve the same function. It is important to configure SIP settings correctly, as incorrect setup can cause registration errors or call failures. Users should also make sure their internet connection is stable, since SIP calls depend entirely on data quality. SIP accounts may not support emergency calls, so users should keep that in mind for safety. In short, a SIP account in Android lets you use internet telephony for affordable and flexible voice communication. It's a great tool for personal and professional use, especially for those who rely on data-based calling systems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.